7-Eleven. Dip my credit card? What the fuck? We don't know which way. We'll find out. Oh yeah, I always just guessed.
So I'm guessing east because the sun is rising this way.
We're here. We made it. Here it is. Yeah. I'm so ready. Nobody's here.
You need that to order.
Yeah. I mean, I know I want pastrami on rye.
Okay, we can get one of those.
Yeah.
And then I'll have a coffee.
More coffee too?
Yeah.
How's it going? Oh yeah? Thanks. You get pastrami on rye?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pastrami on rye. For here, yeah. Can we get, does it come with pickles?
Yeah.
Yeah, with pickles. Perfect, thank you. This your first time? This is your first time here, right?
It's my first time.
Me too. I'm excited. Taste? Oh, it's, oh. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Delicious?
It's very good, thank you.
Falls apart.
Do you like mustard?
Yes, please. Mmm. Yeah. Oh, it's fall apart. You have the last piece. It's so good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Got you want something to drink?
Can we have coffee?
Coffee?
Yeah, like coffee.
Thank you. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can't wait.
I understand it.
Hell yeah, cheers. Here. Take the first bite. Look at this cross section. I'm so excited for this. You ready? Go in. Look at this. They're the best breakfast ever.
Oh man.
I like the fresh cucumbers. They're just cucumbers with some kind of oil. Nice and refreshing. This is next level.
This is like what, $20-something? This is so worth it.
I have no clue, but completely worth it. Oh man. Oh man. I'm so glad I have this. Oh,
I'm so happy.
Oh, I love pickles. Good pickles. Not sure what to call this. Is it just cucumbers and oil? I'm not sure. Delicious.
So good. I love the mustard. Everything was so good.
Everything
Even
was-
sugar, I'm sure it's really good.
Even the sugar is delicious. This is amazing. This is usually the best pastrami ever. Thick cut too, I love it.
This is like we just had like a steak.
Like a steak.